Tommy the Turtle goes t. Tommy the Turtle is playing on his favorite hill. He has a special trick for getting down the hill. Once he is at the top of the hill, he does a musical tumble with his shell. It goes like this. T, t, t. Then a big splash into the water. Tommy goes up the hill again. T, t, t. And splash into the water. Can you use your arms to make a tumbling motion and make this sound? T, t, t. Like Tommy's shell? The letter T can make more than one sound, but usually, and like in our story today, the letter T goes t, like Tommy the Turtle's shell. Ellie the Elephant goes eh. Ellie the Elephant is picking fruit with her sister Emma. She's enjoying the hot sun and the tasty bananas. All of a sudden, Ellie starts sinking in the mud. "Help! Emma! I'm sinking in the mud! Eh! Eh! Eh!" she cries. As she lifts her feet to try and get out, Emma links her trunk with Ellie's and pulls. "Eh! Eh! Eh!" Ellie says as Emma helps her out of the mud. Ellie is relieved to have her sister there to help her. Can you lift your feet like you're in gooey mud and make the sound eh, 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 like Ellie? Do you remember what sound the letter T makes? Yeah, it goes T, like Tommy. Do you remember what sound the letter E makes? That's right, it goes eh, like Ellie. Nina the Narwhal goes mm. Nina the Narwhal was swimming with her friends when she spotted something neat. She stopped to take a look. When she was done, she realized she lost her friends. "Oh no," Nina said. Nina used her special noise to call out for her friends. Mm, mm, mm. Nina listened carefully. Then she heard her friends reply with mm, mm, mm. She followed the pulsing noise. Finally, she was reunited with her friends. Can you send out a pulsing noise like Nina? Take your hand and make a fist, then quickly open and close it, saying mm, mm. Let's read this word. Do you remember what sound the letter T makes? It goes T, like Tommy. Do you remember what sound Ellie the Elephant makes when she's stuck in the mud? She goes eh. And do you remember what sound Nina the Narwhal makes when she sends a signal to her friends? Let's put all their sounds together to read this word. T, eh, T, eh, T, eh, T, eh, 10. 10.